Right.
So this is going to be a time challenge.
We're going to see if this Husqvarna 545 Mark II can hang with the Stihl 261, a favorite of the pros.
So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be cutting rounds off of this 16-inch pine trunk we've got here. We've got brand new chainsaws, fresh chains. We're ready to go. We're going to see which one can cut the quickest. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right. All right, Ryan, you've got the Stihl 261. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, fire it up.
Let's do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, Ryan, so you came in at 18.34 seconds with the Stihl. What'd you think?
It felt okay. Bogged down a little bit, but
I saw that. Now we're gonna see if we can beat it with the Husqvarna.
sounds good.
Let's get to it. All right, Ryan,
So if you got the Husqvarna 545 Mark II,
ready to go?
Ready.
All right, fire it up. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow, that thing is powerful. Almost there. Time. Wow, that thing cut through like butter. What'd you think?
It's light, not a lot of vibration. I'm impressed.
It's like, holy cow, you ready to hear the time?
Let's hear it.
11.77 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah,
I didn't think there'd be that much of a difference.
dude, that's almost half the time. I'm impressed.